Hello. Today we're going to get back into our math book and we're going to work on lesson 3-1. It starts on page 155. And today we're going to be using what we call count on to add. So we're going to use our number lines and we're going to count on. So our word problem here says Abby has 5 cubes. Selena gives her 7 more cubes. How many cubes does Abby have now? Show your thinking on the number line below. So we want to know, where do we start? And since Abby has 5 cubes, that's where we're going to start, on the 5. Selena gives her 7 more cubes, which means she's going to get a higher number of cubes. So we're going to go to the right, which will take us to the bigger numbers. And since it's 7 more cubes, we're going to take 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hops, and we end at 12. So Abby now has 12 cubes. So we start at 5 and we count on, which is what we're going to be using with the number lines. Up at the top it says solve 7 plus 8 equals what? Using a number line. Find 7 on the number line because that's what we start with. Then count on 8 more to add 7 plus 8. So we start 7, we make 8 hops, we end at 15. Now we know that we could flip our add-ins around and get the same answer. So now they're saying, well, we could always just start at the 8 and make 7 hops. You'll still get the same answer. All right, it says use the number line to count on and find each sum. So 9 plus 7, we're going to start at the 9. We're going to make 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we end at 16. So 9 plus 7 equals 16. Number 2, 9 plus 9. So we're going to start at 9. And we're going to count on 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where did I end? 18. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. All right, for page 157, you can use your number line, or you can use this number line down here to solve. So please stop the video, do page 157 on your own, and when you're done, come back and we will check your answers. All right, now that you have finished the problem, or all the problems on here, we're going to go ahead and check. So using the number line, 7 plus 4, I can start at 7 and count on 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I end at 11. Number 4, I can either start at 6 or 8. I like to start at the big number, so I'm going to start at 8 and count on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I landed on 14. So 6 plus 8 equals 14. 9 plus 4, I start at 9. I count on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I end at 13. So to check the others, 9 plus 6 will give you 15. 7 plus 7, 14. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 3 plus 9 equals 12. If you did not get any of these answers correct, please get your number line and try again. All right, use a number line to count on to solve. Kim works at a zoo. She feeds the big cats 9 pounds of meat. She feeds the tortoises 7 pounds of leaves and berries. How many pounds of food does Kim feed the animals? So on my number line, I'm going to start at 9 because that's how many she gives the big cats. I'm going to count on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I end at 16, so she feeds them a total of 16 pounds of food. Let's turn to page 158. Number 13, Scott walks 6 blocks. Then he walks 3 more blocks. Write the numbers that will help find out how many blocks Scott walked in all. So, it says he walked 6 blocks. So we're going to start at 6. We're going to count on 3 more. So 6 plus 3. Here we start at 6. 1, 2, 3 equals 9. Number 14, Ramona mails 7 letters. Then she mails 8 more letters. Write the numbers that will help find out how many letters Ramona mailed in all. Well, I like to start with the big number. It doesn't matter which one you want to say. But I'm going to start at 8 just because I like starting with the biggest. Count on 7 more. So I'm going to start at 8. I'm going to count on 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I end at 15. All right, number 15 you have to do pretty much on your own. Write and solve a story problem. Show your work on the number line. Number 16, go ahead and try, and then we will solve it in just a minute. It says solve 5 plus 9 equals what on the number line? Show your work. All right. We have 5 plus 9. Again, I like starting with the big number, so I'm going to put my mark on 9, and I'm going to count on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I end at 14. Now, if you start at 5, you would need to make 9 hops, which again would get you to 14. It's just easier, I think, if you have smaller number of hops as you count on. All right. Now we have the homework practice, page 159 and 160. Again, please pause the video, and when you're done, turn it back on and we'll check your answers. All right, at the top of page 159, it just kind of reviews what we were talking about. There is more than one way to count on to add 2 plus 8. You could start at 2 and then take 8 jumps, or you could start at 8 and take 2 jumps. Again, I just like it when I start with the bigger number because I feel like it's less jumps, less chances of making a mistake with the number of hops I'm making. All right, number 1, use a number line to count on. So again, if you don't get the answers that I write down, I want you to get out your number line and try again. 9 plus 4, start at 9, make 4 hops, should get you to 13. 4 plus 8, again, I would start at 8 and make 4 hops, should get you to 12. 9 plus 7, get you to 16. Let's turn over to page 160. Continue to use a number line. Number 4, your answer should be 15. 5 should be 11. And number 6, your answer should be 13. Again, if you didn't get those answers, go back and check again on your number line. Number 7, write an addition equation shown on the number line. Explain how you know you are correct. So where are they starting? Here's their starting mark. So we start at 4 and we add, well, now we have to see how many hops there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Okay, explain how I know that I'm correct. Because we started at 4, we counted 7 hops, and it ends at 11. All right, number 8, Daryl showed an equation on the number line below. Which of the following could be Daryl's equation? Now remember, it could have more than one answer. So we're starting at 9. So this one has a 9 in it. This one doesn't even have a 9, so that one can't be right. That one has a 9. This one does not have a 9. So it looks like either A or C could be correct. Now we have to see how many hops there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hops. So start at 9 plus 8 equals 17. Letter C is correct. All right, please take a picture of your math work and send it to your teacher and have a great afternoon.